right, guys, we got some recognition this morning. I'm super proud of this lady. She's finished up her 28 days summer slim down challenge. She rocked just about 3% body fat. What I love most about what she did, she just really changed around her whole lifestyle again. She had to get back to her old self. She got in here just about every day, grinded super hard. Super proud of this lady. Michele, Carla, come on up, baby. Man, we work week after week after week, tweaking the nutrition, doing everything. How do you feel? What's the goal now next 28 days?
The goal now next 28 days is stay on track.
Stay on
now
track.
we go back to school.
Back to school. New routine.
New routine, keep it going, get more prepared.
Awesome, baby. You already know what it is, Warrior. Big check our records, impeccable. Stop.